Many of the foundations of American life were built by people from the world over who arrived on our shores to contribute to our businesses and communities. Today, the Vogel Law Firm helps businesses seeking employment visas as well as individuals seeking investor visas, family visas, and naturalization. When you have an immigration question, please don't hesitate to call or visit us on the web at vogellaw.com. Vogel Law Firm, you have a right to the best.